Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a cell with a motor. First, gather your essential components: a power source, which is your cell or battery, the motor itself, and suitable connecting wires. It's crucial to identify the positive and negative terminals on both your cell and the motor. Always ensure the voltage and current ratings of your cell are perfectly compatible with your motor to prevent any issues. To begin, prepare your wires by carefully stripping about 1/2 inch of insulation from each end. Next, take one wire and connect the positive terminal of your cell to one terminal of the motor. Then, use a second wire to connect the negative terminal of the cell to the remaining terminal on the motor. For reliable operation, secure all your connections firmly, perhaps using solder or appropriate connectors. Understanding polarity is key. If you reverse the cell's connection, you'll notice the motor's direction of rotation will also reverse. For most direct current motors, the positive terminal should connect to the positive brush, and the negative to the negative brush. Always double-check these connections before applying any power to avoid potential damage to your components. For safety and optimal performance, always use wires with an appropriate gauge for the current your motor will draw, preventing any overheating. Consider integrating a switch for easy control and a fuse to protect against overcurrents. Be vigilant to avoid short circuits by ensuring no bare wires touch. Finally, always work in a well-ventilated area and wear safety glasses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.